As I told you, this is a very unique piece of history. You are in the muse of the Renaissance.
Yeah.
Don't forget this.
Yeah. Just a second. Do you know who this guy is? I know he's not the most attractive, but this man right here is Lorenzo de' Medici, Il Magnifico, one of the most important members of the Medici family. But why am I telling you about Italian history and the Renaissance? Well, Chiara from Dream Real Estate, who showed me those 2 fantastic apartments in Florence at Christmas Eve, contacted me to show me an amazing villa owned once by the Medici family.
Ciao Tommy!
Sorry for the wait, but given where we are, I took the panoramic route and it was well worth it.
Yeah, it's very beautiful, the roads. So welcome in this amazing villa in Fiesole. Tommy, this is the property for rent that is composed from the main villa over there, the lemon house, which we called in Italy Limonaia, and then there is the Italian garden, a pool just over there.
There's also a pool?
Yes. But actually, you know, now is winter time, so it's empty.
Ah, too bad.
And the vegetable garden.
Yeah.
In total, the property is 800 square meters, 650 of the main villa and 150 of the lemon house. In total, we have 8 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms.
When the estate was built?
This main villa and the lemon house are part of a majestic estate with another very, very important villa on the top of this property, which was commissioned from Cosimo de' Medici.
Really?
Yes, which is the father of Lorenzo.
Yeah.
And this is the muse and the prototype of the Renaissance villa. They decide to create this villa in this location, in this position. We are in Fiesole, you know.
Look at the
But
view.
yes, that's the point. In the past, they used to build tower, castle.
For a defense purpose.
Now, in the Renaissance, they start to build something to enjoy life.
So Chiara, can we go in?
Of course.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Can't wait. Up first.
Yeah.
Go.
Perfect.
Colto la mela.
Yeah. So here we are in the living space of the main villa. In the main villa we have 2 floors. At this floor we have the living area, the kitchen, the winter garden, the dining room. And upstairs we have all the sleeping area. Then we have the Limonaia that I will show you later.
Let's go have a look.
Let's go. The first floor, which is actually the sleeping area with another living room, is perfect, like with the sofa and everything, like to watch TV during the night, and then you have the bedroom here. And it's actually very well divided, this floor, because in this side you have the staff apartment with another living room, a little kitchen, and then you have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And this part you have 4 bedrooms with an ensuite bathroom and with the amazing view on Florence. And here there is master suite with the bedroom, the studio, a double wardrobe walk-in closet, and the master bathroom with a very big shower. So as you see, this is the master bedroom. And look at the ceiling, which are painted, and there are the frescoes on it. It's nice because it's in a corner, so has double exposure with two big windows.
Every window here looks like a painting. And also, I can't even imagine how it would be like to live here. Actually, yes, I definitely imagine it. And I'm still imagining what an ideal day would be like in that house. First, wake up with a great view. Then, before breakfast, take Silvia for a ride to Fiesole, down the hill. In town, I could stop for something sweet for breakfast. And finally, enjoy my breakfast with a view. It would be wonderful. Anzi, magnifico. But speaking of Florence il Magnifico, let's go back to the villa.
So we are in the dining room. As you see, everything is perfectly renovated. The first renovation was in the 60s, and the second one is they just finished the works now. So the house is ready to be rented. They includes the furniture, of course, in the renting. They decide to put some nice furnitures, nice design. For example, there is a lot of Art Deco pieces, also like Impero style, and then something from the 50s, something from the 70s. It's a very good mix, I think.
What's the price of this house per month?
The price for the main villa, the lemon house, all the garden with this amazing view, which is priceless. But we have to say the price, which is 18,000 per month. The owner prefer like someone that stay for a long time.
For this plus the view, I would say that it's well worth.
Yes, it is. Because actually, as I told you, this is a unique piece of history. Yeah. You are in the muse of the Renaissance. Yeah. Don't forget this.
Yeah, it's like renting a piece of history.
Yes,
so, yeah.
But it's modern, it's functional, and this makes a lot of difference.
Even though it may seem strange, a property with both cultural and historical importance is difficult to find in Italy, especially for rent. Not forgetting, of course, the fantastic view. And with this I say goodbye and go back imagining my ideal day of this Renaissance villa in Fiesole.